Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're having a great holiday weekend. I have been out running errands, and of course one of those was to run by the post office box. Today's Friday and I took the day off of work. It was, why not, for the holiday. It was a great way to burn some vacation, have an extended long weekend. So I hope your Independence Day was really great. It was decent here, although we did have storms roll through. That is what it is, right? I got one item here I wanted to show you guys, and then I got my Macy's box. So this is a little card from Miss Kin, which is Hanging with Kim. So I sent her a little friend mail, yeah, she's just sending me a little thank you card, so it's very nice of her. Aww. So I sent her this little, I'd call it a purse. It had like a wrist strap, and then it had an over-the-shoulder strap. And it was an eggplant, or an aubergine. It was an eggplant, so she drew me an eggplant. That's so funny. Instead of a rose, I get the eggplant. She usually draws a really pretty rose. She's really good at it. She draws this really beautiful, simple, but elegant rose. So she says instead of a rose, I get an eggplant in honor of the purse I sent her. So, hey, Wisco, thank you for my friend mail. Happy to call you my friend. Love, Kimmy. So I call her Kimmy. I call her Wisco. She calls me Wisco as well. She also sent me some stickers, so let's go through them. It looks like some pretty flowers. Let's see here. What would the I'm gonna go with that being the way that it's gonna go, although I think you could turn this flower any direction. Oh, and a really pretty rose. These are lots and lots of pretty flowers. I like that a lot. I love my flower garden. Here's another rose. We're on a theme of the big, beautiful, pretty roses. Those carnation maybe? Tulips, I think, are one of my absolute favorite flowers. Oh, this is kind of fun. Got an ice skate with some flowers. Couple more. Let's see here. I'm going to say this kind of looks like a peony maybe. And then another. So thank you, Miss Kimmy, aka Wisco. Okay, guys, I got my Macy's box. This is it. I've already popped it open. This is how they come. So let's pull it out. Oh, interesting. Very interesting. All right, so you always get a little something like this, and it's going to tell you you're either going to get $5 or $10 off to spend on beauty products at Macy's or Macy's.com. There's always a date range that you can use it. And it does have the QR code to learn about the products in the box for the month. So this one is $5 off your next purchase of $20 or more, and it's a beauty purchase. Valid in-store or online, July 21st through September 28th. Now, I don't plan on using this, so I'm going to let you guys use this code if you would like it. Here you go. I honestly don't know if these are like a single one-off or if everybody who gets a Macy's box gets this exact same code. But I'm not going to use it, so you guys can use it. Okay, first product. Y'all, it's a fan. How fun is this? It's paper. I actually have a fan I got at the Dollar Tree, and I use pretty nearly every day because when I spray my setting spray, I immediately fan to dry my face. So this is cute and fun. Very timely because it is so stinking hot out now that it's July. So I like that. Okay, here's the rest of the goodies. This box is like $15 a month. Basically, you're going to get deluxe samples. Occasionally, you'll get like what would be considered a full-size item. But it's generally deluxe samples. Sometimes it's just a spattering of different things. And sometimes it is actually themed for a certain brand. Like we've had Kiehl's recently. Sometimes you get like all hair care of a certain brand, like Bumble and Bumble or something. So it's just hard to know what we're going to get. I like it when we get perfume, and we did this time. We got Valentino's Donna, Born in Roma. So that's neat. Let's just pop this open and see what they have to say about it. All right, so that's all you get. You just get a little squirter. So, Born in Roma, Eau de Parfum, a couture Floriental Jasmine Trio twisted with an overdose of woods. Ooh, you had me at jasmine. Let's go ahead. So, look at you guys. This is half full. So, it's a tiny itty bitty little sprayer, and it's only half full. Okay, Valentino, we know that you're just being El Cheapos. Ooh, I like it. I can definitely hint the Oriental. I can definitely get hints of the Jasmine. I like that. We'll just use that. That's lovely. So it's a Valentino's Born in Aroma. Nice. Okay, so lots of itty bitty little goodies here. First one is First Aid Beauty's KP Bump Eraser Body Scrub with a 10% AHA, safe for sensitive skin. Very cool. It's 1 ounce. Okay, so this is what it looks like. So a nice little attempt, a little trial size of their Bump Eraser Body Scrub with 10% alpha hydroxy acids. Yeah, nice. Okay, so actually, let's see if it's got a safety seal. It does, so that's a good thing. What other little... Oh, we have another tiny little Lancome. This is their Youth Activating Concentrate, whatever that means. How cute is this? Itty bitty. It's got a little dropper. Oh, she's tight. I'm going to go ahead and put a little bit on my hand here. It's thick, so it's not super watery. It's thick. It's got a little bit of, like, it's not totally translucent. Doesn't smell, which is good. Kind of feels like hyaluronic acid. Has that kind of slick feeling of hyaluronic acid. That blended in really nice to my hand. I mean, I just sprayed myself with my Valentino, so that absorbed really nice. Again, no scent. That's cool. I don't know exactly what a youth activating concentrate is, but it's a serum for your face. All right, next one is Kopari Sun Shield Soft Glow Daily Face SPF 30. And this is 5 milliliters. See what the Lancome was. Did it even put a size on it? So the Lancome was 7 milliliters. So this one's even smaller in a box, which just feels kind of wasteful. I'm sure it's a squeeze tube. Yep, it's a squeeze. Why didn't they just send it like this? That's tiny. That's like a 1 use. Let's see if it's got a seal on it. I don't think it will. Oh, it does. Color me surprised. So SPF 30 is, from my opinion, would be like a day where you're not going to be going outside at all, and you're just going to be sitting maybe in the house. Because, you know, even if you're just sitting in the house, if you got windows, you're going to get SPF needs. You're going to need your SPF. You're going to get UV exposure. So, okay, that'll be interesting to try. Next one is Nude Sticks Nude Screen Lip Primer with an SPF of 30. Well, that's really nice. Okay. I have bad lighting going on today. What do we got here? 10 milliliters. So 10 mils. I think this is going to have like a little tip on it. Yeah. Oh, yeah, little lip applicator. So that's really nice. I will use that. I probably will use that even on its own, just because it's, even though it says it's a primer, just because it's SPF 30, if it doesn't have a terrible, like, taste to it, I'll use that. Okay, and the last item is Kiehl's, which we just had a month of Kiehl's. Powerful Strength Line Reducing Concentrate. And it says 12.5. The white text on gray, seriously. 12% vitamin C hyaluronic acid with 10.5% pure vitamin C and 2% vitamin C G. This is 5 milliliters. So again, itty bitties. Now this is again sent to you. It's like $15. You're getting tiny stuff, right? Every now and then you'll get a full-size product. You know, you can consider this. This is paper. I can't imagine that there was a whole lot of cost involved in creating this. So it's cute. It's helpful when it's hot. It definitely is giving me a nice breeze, but it's tiny. It's not that big. This is nice. The First Aid Beauty 1 ounce. I do like my Valentino. It smells divine. I like that a lot. We've got Kopari, which is the SPF 30. Ooh, nose tickles. Again, the Kiehl's, the Nude Sticks, another SPF for the lips, and then the tiny little Lancome, which is kind of adorable. So, I mean, pretty small products for 15 bucks, but this is very reminiscent of Ipsy's Glam Bag, right? Or their introductory beauty bag, which is what? Almost the same price. But with that, you do get a little makeup bag. So, I don't know. You know, it's all right. Interesting arrangement of projects. I'm glad it wasn't a whole bunch of hair care. I don't really like that when they do that. I wish they would send more... more perfumes, but yeah. You know, I think they also kind of try to lure you in with saying, you know, you do get $5 off a $20 purchase. So that's kind of nice, I guess, if you're looking to buy either one of these products, maybe something that you get regularly through Macy's. You do get a coupon every month. Every now and then it's $10, but most of the time it's $5. Okay. Appreciate your time. Thank you to Miss Kimmy for my thank you card and my collection of pretty stickers. I love me some stickers. So have a good one, guys. I got a lot more to make videos on. I'm a little behind, but it is the holiday weekend. So I hope you guys are having a great holiday weekend, and I will see you on my next video. Bye, everybody.